Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video Python course for beginners, and in this video we will learn about operator precedence. So what is operator precedence? So when we have or we do some arithmetic operations, solve mathematical equations, we use the arithmetic operators, subtraction, division, multiplication, exponent, power to the raised to the power. So when we use or solve mathematical expressions, we have the concept that is operator precedence. It means which of the arithmetic operator will perform first. So we have the precedence. Precedence means priority, which operator has the highest priority and which operator will perform first in a expression. So here is a highest to lowest precedence. So highest precedence is to the exponent, that is a double steric exponent, and then multiplication and division, then subtraction and addition. So when we have an expression, mathematical expression, and there is a arithmetic operators, though first of all the exponent equation will be executed, it will be solved, and then division and multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. So this is the precedence. The highest precedence is to the exponent and lowest precedence is to the subtraction and addition. So we create a variable and do some arithmetic operations. Exponent, addition, subtraction, and division, multiplication and division. So in this expression equation we have used all arithmetic operations, arithmetic operators. So in this equation, first of all the exponent will be solved, and then division and multiplication, and then in the last the addition and subtraction will be solved. So first of all let's check its answer. So its answer is minus 19. So this is the operator precedence. The highest precedence is to the exponent, then multiplication and division, and in the last subtraction and addition. But we can control these precedence. We can use braces, brackets. So if I use braces here, then first of all when the program starts, these subtraction and addition will be performed, and then exponent, and then these multiplication and division. So if the first this expression will be evaluated, then answer will be changed. So now the answer is 2.5 because we want to solve this one, and we have used braces. So when we use braces, the braces has the highest precedence. So first of all the braces equation will be solved. So if I use braces here, then first of all multiplication will be solved, and then exponent, and then the division, and in the last subtraction and addition will be solved. So here the answer will be changed. So its answer is minus 19. So these are the operator precedence. So with the help of braces, we can control these precedence and want to execute some equation that we want. So the highest precedence is to the exponent, and then multiplication and division, and the last is subtraction and minus addition. So that's all for today. We will learn more about Python in next videos.